What's up, guys? It is your boy Bernardo from the BTNHD, and as you saw at the very beginning of the video, I unboxed the beautiful Lenovo ThinkPad L480. Yes, the L480. So what's inside the box? So we got our setup guide, our safety and warranty guide. Put that to the side. We have our power cable, cool, and our power adapter, which is 65 watts. Let's plug this guy in. Bingo, that's it, done. And for the power adapter, it looks like the port is a Type-C. Cool. I'm going to put that to the side. Awesome. And the beautiful ThinkPad L480. Wow. Looks very bulky. Really light. I mean, wow. Extremely light. Awesome. All right, so looking around the laptop, it looks like we have a lot of ports. And if you have the laptop to the point that you're able to open it up like this, let's take a look on the right-hand side. Now, on the right-hand side, we have our audio combo jack, which allows us to hook up our headphone/mic. Then we have one 3.1 USB ports, and this is where our vents are at to keep it nice and cool, release all that heat. On the left-hand side, we have an RJ45 port, a micro SD slot, an HDMI, an additional 3.1 USB always on. We have two Type-C USB port, and this one right here that's cover up, this is actually your docking station port. All right, so those are the ports on the L480. And holding it, I mean, it is extremely light. I'm assuming it's between 3 to 4 pounds, but it feels much lighter than that. And I think it's because of the case material. And I believe the case material is made out of maybe PC and plastic, PC ABS plastic. Cool. All right, let's open this guy up real quick and take a closer look. Wow, nice. Loving the keys. I love these keys. These are the keys that I like to use a lot when it comes down to the ThinkPad lineup. And the reason why is because they raise up. They feel extremely nice on the fingertips. I could actually feel them. I know where they at. Cool. On the L480, it looks like they have a fingerprint scanner. And the sticker right here indicates it is an i5 8th generation processor. Display size, I think it's between 14 to 15 inches. I'm assuming the webcam is 720p. These are the mics right here on the top. Power button is located right here on the corner. Cool. And it looks like the keyboard is backlit. And the reason why I know is because the function key and the space bar gives me that indication that it's backlit. That's awesome. That's a plus. All right, let's power this guy on. And let's take a closer look on the specifications. Okay, so the machine is fully booted up. And a couple of things that I noticed so far on the display. It is not touchscreen. Cool. Not multi-touch. It is anti-glare. I do notice that. And it is LED. And let's see the brightness. This is the brightest that it could go. And the dark, this is the darkest. I can still see the wallpaper. And I can still see the taskbar as well as the Cortana taskbar. So it's not really dark. And let's raise it up. There we go. Cool. Awesome. Now I'm assuming that the resolution is 1920 by 1080. But I'm going to right click on the desktop. Let's go to Intel graphics settings. And once that loads up, let's go inside display. Because I want to double check to see if it is full HD. And yeah. The highest resolution that you could go on the L480 is 1920 by 1080, so that's awesome. Let's close this up. Let's right click on the taskbar. Let's go to Task Manager and let's go to More Detail, Performance. Let's expand this. Let's right click on the CPU and change the graph to Logical Processors. So the L480 is running a quad-core i5 8250U processor with a clock speed of 1.60 gigahertz. That's pretty good. For memory, it has about 8 gigs of memory. For hard drive, it looks like we have a Toshiba solid-state drive. Capacity is 256 gigs. And for our graphics processor or our graphics chip, it has a Intel Ultra HD Graphics 620. All right, so my first impressions on the L480 within the ThinkPad lineup. I'm loving it a lot. I love the display. It is not multi-touch, which is a huge plus. It is anti-glare. It is LED, which I like that. The entire body, like, I'm assuming it's between 4 to 5 pounds, but it feels much lighter because the case material, it looks like it's made out of plastic. But I do love the ThinkPad keyboard layout. It looks really awesome. I love the keys. I'm telling you, I love the keys because I love keys that are sticking out and you can actually feel them. They don't feel flat. One of the cool things that I noticed so far on the L480 is that it's a little raised up. So I have the piece of paper, I have the safety and warranty guide, and I'm able to slide it in. So it's not completely flat on the table. It has like two little balls right here, these little guys right here, that raises it up, allowing airflow to go underneath. I like that. The speakers are located on the side right here, which is cool. But the fact that it is adjacent just a little bit, I don't know how high it is, but it's enough that I'm able to just slide this piece of paper underneath with no problem. That's cool. I definitely need to start testing out the battery for you guys. Out of the box, it is running off. I'm touching it like a multi-touch, but it's not. Out of the box, we're running 47%, which is not bad. Off the bat, I think maybe 5 to 6 hours. That's what I'm giving myself for this machine, 5 to 6 hours. With the specifications that we went over, I think I could get maybe Photoshop running with no problem and maybe Premiere and After Effects. I'm definitely going to test that stuff out for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing / first impressions of Lenovo's ThinkPad L480. If you have any comments or concerns, leave them at the bottom. Don't forget about hitting that like button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.